friends, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Ordinate reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, that is, should I buy from it or not. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is the homepage of this website. And this is an online store that sells different styles of aprons, including in various colors like red, green, black, etc. You can take a look at the product list here along with the prices. Now let's take a look at the other information of this website. So let's take a look at the shipping policy first. Here you can see that the standard duration of shipping is 7 to 10 business days for United States and Canada. For Australia and New Zealand is different. No, this is same, that is 5 to 10 business days. And you can read the entire information for your knowledge and convenience. Here you can also view the email address that is given, which is contact@ordinate.shop. Now let's take a look at the payment info. So here you can see that the company accepts payment via PayPal only. And when it comes to the contact us info, so let's take a look here. You can view the contact us info here, including the email address, official address, and the contact number. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit websites. Because we know that before making any online purchase, it is important to judge a website's legitimacy or scam factors. So guys, I want to tell you that this website uses a valid HTTPS connection and the domain name was created only 1 month ago. This means that this is a newly launched website. Since not much information is presented on Ordinate, neither there is a separate About Us page on this portal. You can see here, there is no About Us section available on this web page. And no data found due to low traffic volume, as I have already discussed that this is a newly launched website. So no data found due to low traffic. And the site has not been rated by any user yet. Apart from that, no reviews are available on the website and other platforms as well. So this is a biggest loophole, you can say, and which defines that this website is not a legit website. Guys, you can take a look here. You can see social media icons such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. on this home page of ordinate.shop website, but on clicking on them, you'll realize that they are not active and not legit icons. So I think this is also a bad sign which defines the fakeness of this website. So in the final conclusion, I want to say that this website is a scam website. Stay away from such type of scam websites. And yes, apart from that, you can share your experiences and thoughts regarding this website in your comments. Do comment your thought about this video as well, guys. It will motivate us because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting and like the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.